manufacturing, we have a core principles, which is the first one is define value. Identify what the customer truly values and is willing to pay for. So it means ang any action or pag-process sa feature nga para sa customer is willing nila baydan if kana nga product ganahan kaayo sila. And then next one is map the value stream. Overall process from the start until maabot ang product sa customer. For example, dira kay makita dira ang mga record nga gahatag sa value. And then if ang mga waste pod if ang waste pod sa usa ka company, makita pod dira naka-record tanan. And then the next one is create flow. Make the value creating steps flow smoothly without interruption. So kaniya process siya sa pagtrabaho nga nga work mo move smoothly and continuously, walay delay, diretso lang, walay interruption or bottleneck. So dili siya magka-problema, diretso smooth lang iyaha pag-process. And then the next one, establish pull. So means setting up a production system where products are made only when there is actual customer demanding rather than producing in advance and pushing them into inventory. Means nga pag maghimo sa product is naanay customer kay para malikayan pod ang sobra or mga waste nga products, and then dili siya sayang. And the last one is seek perfection. Continuously strive to improve the process. Means continue lang siya pag-improve sa process sa product, sa activity, or to eliminate waste and provide maximum value of the customer. So it is about striving for zero defects, flawless process, and ultimate efficiency. Even if perfection is never fully achievable, it is the continuous effect to get closer to it that matters. So the next one is type of ways to eliminate. Under Japanese siya sa lean manufacturing. So one of the type of ways to eliminate is overproduction, making more than is needed. So producing more products that are needed by the customers at a given time. The next one is waiting, idle time for people or equipment. So sa pag-process sa mga product, naagod nga mag-wait ka kay dili man malikayan if naay mga breakdowns like malfunction sa mga machines. So idle time because mag-wait pa sa mga instruction sa machines or mga process. So ma-cost good siya o like ma-delay siya mga times, hours or minutes ba dira para mo continue ang pag-process sa product. And then unnecessary transport, moving products more than is required. So refers to moving materials, products, or information more than is needed. So extra movement man po na siya, like ang pagtransport sa item nga long distances between departments or multiple times if unnecessarily. And then extra processing, performing more work than is necessary, doing more work on a product that is necessary to meet customer requirements. And then excess inventory, having more raw materials, work in progress, or finished goods than needed to meet current customers' demand. So, and then inefficient motion, unnecessary movement of people, equipment. So movement by workers that does not add value to the product. It is about wasting time and effort due to poor workplace layout, tools, or processes. Then design. For example, if sa factories, if ang workplace sa example, workplace sa sardines, if gamay ra kayo na ang workstation sa sardines, syempre ang mga equipments or mga machines magutok na siya, like naago na siya possible nga na ay mag-malfunction, na ay mga mag-cause sang accident. So need ko na siya ang kanang dapat safety or wide nga workplace. And then defects, products that are incorrect or require work. So, ang products or materials that do not meet quality standards or customer requirements. So, dapat sa usapod ka product is wala gud siya mga palpak or wala mga defects, kay if kanang products nga like gi-order na sa customers, pag-abot dito na sa ilaha is na ay mga defects. So murag kuan na like X na sa ila or naano sila yung mga bad records or bad feedbacks nga ihatag. So murag madaot ang usa ka company. And then the last one is underutilized talent, failing to use the skills and knowledge of employees. So refers to not fully using the skills, knowledge, and creativity of employees. So mostly, or no, not mostly, is naagoy dili man malikayan if naay employees nga like dili gud siya creative or dili siya knowledgeable or like skills, like mura gud siya kulang pero dili man pud ta maka-judge if maura na iya makaya. And then benefits of lean manufacturing, increased efficiency and productivity. And last one is reduced operating cost. So